I'm Renu Narayan. I'm a storyteller and a writer.
I'm Satvik. I'm a children's book illustrator and a writer.
I'm Purnima Ramakrishnan and I'm the author of the book Tenali Ramakrishna.
I'm Ashwak Rajagopalan and I've been an illustrator of children's books since 1989.
And today we're here at Velamal's Ology Literary Fest. We conducted a theatre workshop for mixed grade students.
I'm so happy that year on year how LitFest is growing and how this school is giving so much of importance to stories and storytelling.
I had the opportunity to visit their theme rooms. They seem to have done a great justice to the characters. I found a lot of people doing a role play.
In spite of being at an age where students aren't always interested in reading and writing, they did extremely well and I enjoyed the session very much.
I was also here for the previous editions, I think for 3 and 4, and I'm so happy to be here again with all of you. Their leadership skills are so good and they have such a wonderful emotional intelligence. And as I took this session about Tenali Raman, I think they took back a lot of lessons in leadership as well as life lessons.
We not only had a whole range of activities and storytelling sessions and all of that, but also it was kids doing costumes, kids doing like cosplay and all of that, and there was a parade across the school, which was really, really exciting and new. Seeds that were sown last year and the ideas that started germinating in the kids' minds like last year, how they have sort of taken shape this year in a much more elaborate way. This time they have games, this time they have robotics that is coming in to sort of like inform the magic of the Harry Potter world, and that is all like really incredible to see.
I'm really happy with the kind of response we're getting from the children. When I did this session, storytelling session for grades 3 to 5, the children were very, very responsive. They were so interactive. They were so excited about the stories. They were singing along with me when I told them to sing. I've not seen such children who are really so responsive to me.
Usually parents சரி எல்லாமே நம்ம குழந்தைங்க ஃபோன் யூஸ் பண்றாங்க அப்படி அதிகமாக சொல்றதை தாண்டி குழந்தைங்களுக்கு என்ன கொடுக்கணும் அப்படின்ற இன்புட் இஸ் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். தட் இஸ் வை வி ஆர் டூயிங் ஸ்டோரி டெல்லிங். இந்த மாதிரி லிட் ஃபெஸ்ட் ஆர் டூயிங் தட் திங் அண்ட் அதை நிறைய இடத்துல பார்க்க முடிஞ்சு. இந்த 2 days நிறைய விஷயங்கள் பார்க்க முடியுது.
The second session was for older children in which I spoke about man-animal conflict. It was really, really interesting. I spoke for an hour with them and it was very, very interactive. And they asked very intelligent questions and some of them are really clued in, into what is happening in today's world.
Although they were not students who are completely into books, I did find some of them were curious to understand what it was, and it was a pleasant surprise that a couple of girls said that they had read Ponniyin Selvan original. So it gave me the kind of head start to talk about my journey with literature.
A literary fest is being celebrated so much by a school. The sight of all the books and all these posters, these authors. It's very nice to see that they're keeping the children still in touch with literature.
I love it that schools are introducing their students to books. It's one of the most important things that we can do as educators.
We don't have to worry about today's children. They're bolder, braver, and they ask a lot of questions. And as authors, we have to keep the child in us also alive and keep in touch with today's children because they're different from how children were in our times.
The school is taking so much of effort to make the children come close to the books. That is the greatest skill for a child if the child gets connected with books. Your whole life, if everybody leaves, you will still be happy if you have the habit of reading and listening.
நம்ம எல்லாருமே ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ரெஸ்ஃபுல்லான ஒரு லைஃப்பை இப்போ குழந்தைங்க கூட வாழ்ந்துட்டு இருக்காங்க. அந்த மாதிரி விஷயங்களை மாற்றுறதுக்கு இந்த மாதிரியான ஈவெண்ட்ஸ் ஆர் வெரி, வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். அந்த விஷயத்த வேலம்மாள் ஸ்கூல்ஸ் ரொம்ப அற்புதமாக பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. அண்ட் பாஸ்ட் 2 years நாங்கள் பீப்பா லைஃப் வேலம்மாளோட ட்ராவல் பண்ணுறோம் அண்ட் வி ஆர் வெரி ஹாப்பி.
I would like to extend my gratitude to Velamal Bodhi, Velamal Ology School for creating this literary fest. I'm really, really happy that schools are taking literary fest very seriously. So many events have been planned, storytelling sessions, panel discussions. Today's world, this is excellent. I hope and I wish that lots and lots of more literary fests are held.
And Velamal does a really, really great job as far as educating and nurturing the young minds are concerned. So thanks to Velamal, schools like this are very much needed in our society at this age.
We have moved into the digital world very late in our lives, but the children are digital natives. They are born to that. So to separate them from that is very difficult. But we also need to show them a world tour of the cultural diversity of language and literature. And I think that I must congratulate Velamal for this effort, and I wish that they do more of this in the years to come.